think I might have messed up. Something ain't right. Something ain't right with me. So I put a Flowmaster 40 Series muffler on my van, my conversion van, and it's loud. So in my house just 15 minutes ago, I started it, remote start, and when it fired up, not only could I hear it, but I could feel it. Like, oh shit. Last night, I'm in the house and I just wanted to go like Burger King, take a ride to Burger King. It's like 10 o'clock and I'm like, fuck. I cannot go out there and fire this thing up on this property at 10 o'clock at night. So yeah, that's what I did. I love it, and I hate it.